So today we're here with the Pathfinder. I'm gonna make a winch bumper for it. Should be fun. First step is to take off the bumper bolts in there somewhere. Let's do that. Bumper is off. Now to remove the lower valence. The next step is the body chop. We're gonna remove this quarter of the truck to clearance the wheels when we're running over shit. Come around to the other side. We marked our mark there, 8 inches from this point. We're gonna hack off a fender. It's gonna be beautiful. And then Wesley's over there working on the drill press, starting our lower mounts. We bout it, fam. We bout it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Our lower mounts, we're using some steel plate mimicking the tow hook pattern and bent them up in the press. And now they're sitting level with the factory bumper back brackets, which are pretty stout, which should give us a decent baseline for a winch bumper. Bendy tubes, bendy tubes. No straight tubes, only gay tubes.
Oh no.
Oh, there's a dirt bike. Oh, some bitch. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Main hoop's coming in. So far, so good. Got the main hoop bent. Lower mounts in place. And now we're welding up some plates to the factory bumper brackets. Coming along. I should have got some of the welding. Damn it.
I mean, I got another one.
Yep. You see those plug welds? No, no, look at that. Shiny.
Perfect.
I'll post that. Got the main hoop mocked up. Looks pretty alright so far. Bending the lower hoop now. Got some supports notched and be tacking it up. Do all the finish work when I get back to the house. Well, we got the lower hoop tacked on with some supports. Looking good so far. Looking good so far.